If you're new to affiliate marketing, then you might not be aware that there's a way to get free traffic to your affiliate link using none other than Google. This is a method that's not discussed very often. You won't find many other YouTube videos on this subject, but it is true. You can use the power of Google, the world's #1 search engine, to get free traffic to your affiliate link. Earn $250 every single day over and over again in free passive income using the power of Google. This won't cost you a cent. This is completely free, and this is a method that not many people are using, so the market is not tapped out. You need to keep watching this video all the way through. I'm going to walk you through every single step that you need to know to make this work for you in 2021, leading into 2022. I'm even going to give you a product that's already a proven winner so you can get started today and start making that money right away. Just consider that my little gift to you, and all I'm gonna need in return is for you to push a couple buttons. Number one, I need you to push that red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to this channel, Online Moneymaker. And number two, I need you to hit the like button on this video. Help us out with this YouTube algorithm. They get kind of crazy, you know. We need some likes, we need some comments, and we need you to subscribe. Welcome to Online Moneymaker. And we do thank you for subscribing and liking this video. So today we're going to use Digistore 24. The only reason we're using Digistore 24 is because this is where I found this specific product. This is a winning product, so that's why we're going to use Digistore 24. The method I'm going to show you today, it works with any kind of affiliate link. So you can use ClickBank, you can use Digistore 24, you can use Warrior Plus. It's up to you, but you just need to follow along and do exactly what I do today, and you'll see how this works. So if you want to use the product I'm going to give you today, then you need to get signed up to a free account at Digistore 24. Once inside, you want to click right here where it says Marketplace, and then you want to click on All Offers on the affiliate marketplace. From there, we want to go right here to Business and Investment. Click there, and then the first product you see is this one here, Crypto Quantum Leap. Okay, this is a cryptocurrency investing basically course that we're trying to sell here, and the reason we're doing this is because every time we sell one of these, we get $236. And why we want something with a high commission rate like that is because we only have to sell a couple of them to make a bunch of money. So your next step is just to press promote now, and we'll get our affiliate link, and there it is. We want to copy that, okay, and then you want to save that into a folder. The next thing we're going to do is go to Google Sites. You can also just type in sites.google.com and you'll get to the same place. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Google Sites, what this is a free service offered by Google that offers you easy-to-use templates to build your own website, and then essentially this website will be owned by Google, but it will also be on Google. That's why we are using this. It's completely free. And being that this is going to be a Google website, and trust me, this is very user-friendly, this is very easy to do. Being that this is essentially owned by Google, if we use the right search terms, the right keywords, it's going to be really easy to rank at the top of search queries. And what I mean by that is that when anybody types in how to invest in cryptocurrency, we want to rank as high up on the first page as possible. And if this is a Google website, it's going to be easier to rank up top rather than down here on page 10 or whatever, because Google is going to want to push this a little harder than somebody that built their website somewhere else. They didn't use Google, but they want to advertise on Google. And don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find the top searched terms related to how to invest in cryptocurrency so we can rank up top on Google. This is called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Now, you can choose between different templates that are kind of ready-made, but I've always found it easier, and I've built a bunch of these on Google Sites just to use a brand new blank canvas. So we just want to click on that right here, and then we can get started building this. Now here's our blank template, and the way I always start is adding a photo to the top of the page here, and we're going to do that by going to a website called Pixabay.com. Now we're going to use this one today for two different reasons. Number one, because they've got thousands of free stock images that we can use to put on our Google site. And number two, I happen to know that they have a lot of great images related to cryptocurrency because we are in fact promoting a cryptocurrency investing course. So I do know that they have a lot of cryptocurrency photos that we can use, some good ones. No matter what product you are promoting, however you choose to utilize what I'm teaching you today, you can use Pixabay or you can use Pexels.com. Both are completely free. They are royalty-free images and videos that you can use to put on your Google site. So no matter what kind of product you are promoting, you'll definitely be able to find high-quality images on either Pexels.com or Pixabay.com. So going to Pixabay and just typing in cryptocurrency, we've got access to all these cool pics related to cryptocurrency. And for today's tutorial, I'm not going to waste too much time going through these. Let's just pick a decent one. So I show you how to do this. Just click on it when you find one you want. Okay, it'll pop up. You just want to hit free download there. Download again. I'm not a robot. Download. And there it is down at the bottom. And what we want to do is drag it up to the desktop, leave it there, and then we can go back to our Google site. And what we're going to do is just change the image. We're going to hit upload, and we should be able to just plug this right in, and there it is. Let's see how this looks, and I bet it's going to look pretty cool. That looks just fine, so we're going to stick with that for now. And now we move into probably the most important part of this whole thing. We need to title our site and we need to title our page. And this is where the keywords come into play, the SEO, the search engine optimization. So we need highly searched terms in both of these. Now, where do we find those? I'm going to show you. Now you can go here to Keywords Everywhere. That's keywordseverywhere.com, and you need to add this as a Chrome extension, Google Chrome. Let me tell you something about making money online. If you're not using Google Chrome as your default browser, then you're not doing it right. You need to have Google Chrome installed, and you already have a Google account, because if you didn't, you could not use Google Sites. So you have a Google account. Now you need to install Google Chrome if you have not already. So you want to install Keywords Everywhere into your Google Chrome browser. And this is a paid service. However, you can search I think up to 7 different keywords or phrases for free, which is all you'll need to do this. So what we want to do here is just type in probably a phrase, but you can type in single words. But I want to type in how to invest in cryptocurrency, because that's what we're going for. And the goal here is to see how many searches per month this particular phrase gets on Google. And if we type that in specifically, how to invest in cryptocurrency, we can see right here that gets about 146,000 searches per month. We can also see the competition, how many people are competing for that keyword. But what else we can find out is variations on that and see how many times those get searched per month and the competition rate. So we can see that crypto alone, just that word, gets almost 5 million searches per month. And that particular word, crypto, the competition is very low. So that's kind of what we want. We want something with a high search volume but low competition. So I think this one looks good right here, cryptocurrency for beginners. It gets almost 500,000 searches per month, and it's got a medium competition rate. So that should work for us. So that's what we're going to put right here on our title page. So you can simply just type that in right here, and if you want to change the size or anything or the font, you do that up here. You would just have to highlight this first and then make the change. You can change it to bold, but that's going to look good for now. As far as titling the site, this is also important. We're just going to call this crypto, because just that word alone gets tons of searches with a very low competition rate. So that's all gonna look good. So now we need to add something of value down here. We need to add a text box like this, and then that'll appear here. And then we can add text in here. So we need to find something to put in here, and that's very easy. All we're gonna do is just come back to Google and type in cryptocurrency tips and see if there's anything we can just copy and paste back in there. So let's see what comes up. So something like this, it's simple. It's gonna be cryptocurrency for beginners, 5 tips and tricks. This is probably something that we could copy and paste back onto our Google site. And let's just see what it says here. Yes, I'm sure that we see this picture right here. This was taken from Pixabay. I can tell you that right now, the site that we grabbed our image from. So let's just see what they got here, and we won't waste too much time on this. You don't need to waste too much time. Just get something that's decent, plug it in there, and then we'll find a place to sneak our link in within that text. So what I did here was just added my own title, the #1 thing every beginner should know before buying crypto, and then I just took this text. I took this text from right here. I just copied all this right here, just the top one they had, and I just pasted it right in there. Okay, so this makes it look like we're just giving somebody value. Now how we're going to sneak our link in is do something like this. Just add in your own sentence at the end like I did here. For more tips on buying and selling cryptocurrency, click here. And to add our link into here, we want to highlight this. Okay, just highlight it. And #1, we're going to make it bold like that. And then we want to, while it's highlighted, you click this link right here, and then you can paste your affiliate link for that cryptocurrency course right in there. And then when anybody clicks on that, it'll direct them to that page. Now you're basically ready to publish this. So we can just go ahead and hit publish. And now we want to name this web address using one of those highly searched keywords, okay? And before you go any further, make sure you never check this box, because that means if you check this box, that means this will not show up on any search site. So you want to stay away from that. So we'll just type in like crypto for beginners and see if we can get away with that. For beginners. Okay. And nope, that's already taken. So you need to kind of just fool with that a little bit. Let's see if we can just get away with crypto. And no, we can't. Okay, so Bitcoin trading for you works, and let me show you why I put in the word Bitcoin, because if I look at how much that's searched, it's over 9 million times a month, and the competition's very low. So the word Bitcoin is going to be great for us. And now when you publish this, this is what what the web address is going to look like. This is a Google site, so this is going to be on Google, and eventually when people type in Bitcoin or anything related to that, eventually your page is going to rank up there. So you can hit publish now. They're going to give you a link to this. You can just let it ride on Google and get that free traffic, or you can take that link and publish it wherever you want. You can post it on like Quora, you can on your social media. You just want to get people to this page, okay? So now you know how to get free traffic using the power of Google to your affiliate link. So subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching Online Moneymaker.